on our way to the Hoover Dam, and we just got to the scenic overlook. We didn't expect it, so we pulled off, and here we are. Oh my God, look at the view. Look at this. That is beautiful. Wow. It's very windy today, by the way. Wow, that's a gorgeous view there. Lake Mead. Here we are. That's the direction that we're looking that way. Down, that's where we're headed. So we're just getting in here to Hoover Dam. Apparently there's a gate or like a checkpoint that we have to go through.
I'm level 10. Level 10 excited. Level 10.
Me too. I'm level 10 excited. So there's a security checkpoint.
So excited.
Look at the bridge. Wow. Damn. We made it. Hoover Dam.
Yay!
We finally made it. This is so awesome. Man, we haven't walked down yet. We just parked, but man, look at this. How beautiful is that? An engineering marvel. This is beautiful. So Fernando's already been down there. He beat us to it. He got down there earlier, and he said that he doesn't think they're doing tours now. Something's going on with the elevator, and so I don't think we're going to get to go down and see the bottom. But we're going to go down and walk and see the dam and look down at the bottom. So let's just go around and look and see what kind of sights we can see on video. All right, so we made it up to the overlook. Let's check this out.
These gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary.
Wow.
Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are 6 3.5-inch
Okay, that is incredible.
It is very incredible. That is a long ways down.
You were standing very close to the edge. So.
I am.
The crane that is supported by the cables.
Let me give you guys a extend this out a little bit.
Original crane from the building of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons.
This is so cool, man. Finally getting to see this in person. I think the first time I saw this as a kid, like growing up, was in the movie Superman. I believe it was Superman 2. I believe it was the movie.
One can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men that performed some of the most 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, or tail race, when in reality it's the This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbines, flowing wildly in the stream. The water comes into the turbines house the
Get a picture of me?
generators
Maybe.
that create the electrical energy of taxpayer dollars.
There's a great view of the river.
It's unbelievable.
Beautiful. Definitely a place to see. So this is pretty much the dam. We got all the dam video on this side. And I want to go across to the other side to the two towers there. But we get another shot here. Looking around. This is so cool, man, being up here on the top of it. Beautiful job. The engineering that went into this place is just so interesting and marvelous. So let's go over to the other side and check out Lake Mead.
And the constellation of stars breaking through a cloud symbolizes the new nation taking its place among the sovereign powers. The colors have specific meanings: white, purity and innocence; red, hardiness and valor; blue, vigilance, perseverance, and justice. The official flags belong to the 7 basin states that share the Colorado River, white birch for the age of Christ.
I did not.
Welcome to the Wind Figures of the Hero, which were sculpted by Oscar J. Johnson. This work of art is designed to honor the accomplishments of a building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, the Colosseum represents Rome.
I had to show you this sculpture right here. It's called High Scalar. It's really neat. Obviously meant to represent one of the guys working to help carve out the canyon there when they were building the dam. But you can see in his back pocket, he's got what appears to be an adjustable wrench there in his back pocket. He's got his jackhammer right there, going to work, chipping away at the rock. beautiful sculpture. I know the sun's right behind me. It's hard to get a good shot of it. Well, that is going to conclude our visit here with at the Hoover Dam.
That's the dam tour.
That is the dam tour. That's going to be the end of the dam tour. And I had a great time out here. I know Abby had a great time out here.
So
and
beautiful.
it is very beautiful out here, and we actually look forward to coming again. We want to come again because we did not get to go down and see the inside and see the you know, power generation
Super
plant.
pouty face.
And I was disappointed about that too, but they quit doing the tours down there today because they had elevator issues. So we'll be back. We're going to come to Vegas again, and we're going to come back out again because this is the kind of place that you want to see more than one time. And then when we do that, we're going to take a tour down there. But awesome place to see. Definitely got to come out here and check out the Hoover Dam, because watching these videos and looking at the pictures, you can't get the grand scale by seeing it, you know, on video. You got to come and see it in person. So we're gonna go. We got a lot of places that we have planned on this trip. We have a lot of national parks we're gonna go and see, and we are looking forward to it. Honeymoon. So we are on our way. Let's get going. So on the way out of the Hoover Dam, there was one place that we forgot about, and that was the lake overlook here. So we pulled in here and want to check it out. So let's take a look. This is beautiful. That is a gorgeous view. Lake Mead. You can see just how big Lake Mead is. So we're standing right here looking out. There's the Hoover Dam we were just at. Which at the museum there's videos there that you can watch that explains how much water they actually hold and all the benefits. Yeah, what it's used for and all the benefits that this lake provides for the entire southeast of the United States and even into Mexico. It's really amazing, the engineering feat that went into that. Beautiful shot. It's a very windy day though. We've had very, very high winds, and I think that's what a lot of that haze out there is.